Hi, this is Russ Beauvais, and this is my Week 1 assignment, my introduction to our class in managing behavior. Who am I? I am a husband to my wife, Colleen. We met in high school when I was a junior at Blackstone Valley Tech. I'm a father to 3 daughters, Andrea, Rachel, and Sarah. They all graduated from Blackstone Valley Tech also. Andrea graduated from dental assisting and is now in workforce management with MapFray, so did not stay within her trade, but what she learned there helped her tremendously. Rachel graduated from cosmetology, got her cosmetology license, came back to Blackstone Valley Tech at night to get her LPN license, and is currently working towards her bachelor's RN degree at QCC. Sarah went through the health services program. She graduated and went to Fitchburg State and got her RN there. I am a grandfather to 4 dogs, Zeus, Jameson, Kaiser, and Danger, and just recently found out that we'll be adding a human. That's due in July. I am an instructor to the 10th and 11th grade students in the Electronic and Engineering Technology shop at Blackstone Valley Tech in Upton. We kind of share the duties, so those are my primary responsibilities, is those 2 classes. But any class that is in the schoolhouse, whether it be 9th, 10th, 11th, or 12th, both instructors pitch in to help with any needs they have during their shop activities. What is my background? As I've already stated, I am a graduate of Blackstone Valley Tech myself. I graduated from the electronics shop. I got my college degree at Quincy. I actually have an associate's in electronics and another in computer maintenance technology programs. For work, I was a co-op student, assembler, technician, supervisor, manager, and then manufacturing engineer for Boston Digital Corporation. So I wound up staying at the company that I started during my co-op from Blackstone Valley Tech for 21 years. I finished off as a technical program manager for EMC Corporation before I got this opportunity to teach at Blackstone Valley Tech. Where am I located? Pretty much lived in the Blackstone Valley my entire life so far. I live in Bellingham now and moved there when I was in junior high school. Previously, I was from Blackstone, Massachusetts, and I work in Upton currently and have worked various places up and down 495 from Hopkinton, Milford, Foxborough, and Franklin. So what do I do? Currently, we're in a hybrid teaching model at Blackstone Valley Tech that combines both in-person and remote. There is 1 full grade in the schoolhouse at any given time. We'll have 1 group of students in physically on Monday, Tuesday, and a half a day on Wednesday, followed by 2 remote days. The opposite class will follow opposite days. So while I have my class in for 2.5 days physically, the other instructor will have the mirrored grade remote for those days. On Thursday, we switch, and then the following week switches again. So instead of 2.5 days physical, we'll just have 2, and 2.5 days remote instead of 2. When I'm not instructing, I spend as much time as I can with my family and with my hobby, which is sports photography. How would I describe myself as an educator? I consider myself knowledgeable in my field. I'm well-intended in my instructing, but I still have a lot to learn about teaching. Some of the things that I think are to my advantage are I was a student in the shop that I teach at the school that I teach at. I was also the parent of multiple children who went through different programs from this school, and now I'm an instructor. So I think I combine like very many viewpoints on things that are going on, and I think that's helpful to me with working with administration or working with parents or working with the students themselves. To the students' benefit, my work experience includes like every level that they might possibly be employed at in their career. If they continue with electronics, I worked as an assembler, a technician, and an engineer. So I'm able to see things from all three of those perspectives also. And also as a hiring manager, I have some good perspective from an employability standpoint that can help the kids as they go out and interview and actually not just get employed by a company, but be looked at as valuable and a person that they want to keep. And every single new course that I take gives me new tools to teach more effectively. So kind of the analogy we use all the time is I can hammer a nail in with a screwdriver, but then somebody tells me about a hammer, and now I can nail in nails a lot more efficiently than I did before. Hoping to do the same for this class again. Thank you, and I look forward to the rest of the semester.